Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to log into your Wrike account quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the Wrike app on your phone. Within it, you will see two options: create account and login. Tap on login. Now it will open login page where you can see different options. If you have created account with your email address, you can just enter the valid email address at the email field. But if you have created the account with Apple ID, you can just tap on the sign in with Apple. For me, I have created with email, so I will enter the valid email within the email field. Once entered, tap on the next option and please make sure to enter your valid password. Once entered, tap on the login button and then tap on the continue to confirm. Once login, you will see your dashboard with all your project, tasks and folders. From here, you can just start collaborating, create tasks as well as manage your projects easily. So that's how you can easily log in. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.